Hey guys, welcome to my channel FactX. Today we are going to explore about our solar system. So let's learn about our sun. The sun, also referred as the soul, is the star of the center of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the sun's mass is hydrogen, with the rest mostly helium. Only 1.69% of the sun is made up of heavier elements like carbon, iron, neon, and oxygen. Distance. The main distance of the Sun from the Earth is approximately 149.6 million kilometers. On average, it takes light from the Sun to reach about 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach the Earth. Galaxy. Once thought to be the relatively insignificant star, the Sun is now considered to be brighter than about 85% of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Mercury. Mercury is the innermost and smallest planet of our solar system. Because it has no atmosphere and retains heat, Mercury's surface experiences the greatest temperature variations of all the planets. Mercury appears as a morning star or the evening star from the Earth, but due to its proximity to the Sun, it is very hard to see. Still, Mercury can be observed as at least twice in a year, in spring and just autumn before dawn. Venus. Although Venus has very similar size and interior structure as Earth, its volcanic surface and extremely hot and dense atmosphere makes it one of the most inhospitable places in the Earth. These thick clouds of sulfuric acid and dust reflect most of the sun's light back to space, while carbon dioxide traps the sun's heat inside the atmosphere, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. The atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is 92 times greater than the Earth. Venus is one of the brightest objects in our sky, second only to the moon. It appears as either a morning star or the evening star. Its structure: crust, solid silicate rock, mostly basalt; mantle, solid silicate rock; outer core, liquid iron and nickel; inner core, dense solid iron. Now let's learn about our Earth. The Earth, which has life. Our homeland is the densest and of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets. Surface. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by saltwater oceans, and the remaining 30% is taken up by 7 continental landmass. Its structure: solid silicate rock, mostly basalt; mantle, solid silicate rock; outer core, liquid iron and nickel; inner core, dense solid iron and nickel. Now let's learn about Mars. Mars has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system. The reddish appearance of the Mars surface is caused by iron oxide, rust. While the Mars is about half as big of the Earth, but there are still many similarities. Mars has a rocky surface and polar ice caps. The days on Mars are only 40 minutes longer. The axial tilt gives it similar seasons to ours. Surface. Mars has a dramatic landscape with towering volcanoes and great canyon system of all the planets in the solar system. It has the highest mountain, Olympus Mons, and the largest canyon, Valles Marineris. Water. There is no strong evidence that the Martian atmosphere was once far denser than it is now, and that water once ran freely on its surface. There is also mountaineering evidence that much of its water remains locked away underground. Moons. Mars has 2 small natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Now let's visit the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system with a mass of 2.5 greater than all of the rest planets of the Earth combined, but only still one of the 1,000 that of the Sun. Starlights. Jupiter is the planet most like the Sun in terms of its composition. although Jupiter would be still needed to be 75 times as massive to use hydrogen and become a star. It would only need to be 13 times as massive to burn deuterium and become a brown dwarf. Now let's learn about the sixth planet, the Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Until the invention of the modern telescope, Saturn was regarded as the outermost of the known planets. Mass. Although the second largest planet, Saturn has the least dense of all the planets in the solar system, with only 1/8 the density of Earth. It is also the only planet that is less dense than water. Ring. While the other gas giants also have ring systems, Saturn is larger and more visible than any other solar system. The rings are composed of water, ice crystals, and small amount of rock, ranging in size from peaks to dust of a few particles as large as mountains. Saturn has at least 150 moons and moonlets. The precise figure is uncertain and it is difficult to draw. Now let's learn about the planet Uranus. Uranus is the third largest of the solar system's gas giants. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus was to be the first to be discovered by the use of a modern telescope, with its discovery credited to the English astronomer William Herschel in 1781. Axial tilt. Uranus has an axial tilt of 97.77 degrees. Its structure. Atmosphere, gaseous hydrogen, helium and methane. Mantle, water, ammonia and methyl ices. Core, silicate, iron, nickel. Now let's learn about the planet Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and the official farthest planet from the Sun. It is the smallest but also the most dense of the gas giants. Neptune has a surface gravity that is only surpassed by Jupiter. Discovery. Neptune was first the planet to be discovered purely on the basis of the mathematical predict rather than by the direct observation. Since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has completed only one orbit of the Sun. Its structure. Atmosphere, gaseous hydrogen, helium and methane. Mantle, water, ammonia and methane. Our solar system is of 10 astronomical units, and from our solar system, the galaxy is 1 lakh light years far away. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.